In the world of fitness bands, there are many big players. Garmin and Fitbit are two of the most notable, though companies such as Xiaomi, Honor and Samsung have tried to steal a slice of the pie as well. I like to use the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, but at Honor's press event in Berlin for IFA 2019, I picked up the all-new Honor Band 5 for review. I've used it ever since, clocking over 5 kilometers for most of the days I've used it since then, sometimes reaching 10 and even 15 kilometers, and I have a lot to say on it. This is Adam Conway with XDALegacy, reviewing the Honor Band 5. The Honor Band 5 launched in India back in August, with its main highlight being the 2.5D 0.95 inch AMOLED full-colour display, with a resolution of 240 by 120 pixels, which can display up to 45 characters at a time. This allows users to use the Band 5 with different watch faces as can be found on the watch face store. The band can also display real-time information from the phone and allow users to accept and reject incoming calls. You can also use Find My Phone features, as well as use the band as a shutter button to take photos. The Honor Band 5 promises 2 weeks of battery life. For sensors, it comes with a 6-axis accelerometer, gyroscope, and an optical heart rate sensor. In terms of connectivity, the band syncs with the Huawei Health app on your smartphone using Bluetooth 4.2. The Honor Band 5 is incredibly light, and it's easy to forget the fact that you're even wearing it. You can't separate the device from the actual wristband, so what colour you buy is what you get. It's available in Midnight Navy, Coral Pink, and Meteorite Black, which is our unit. It's an incredible piece of tech for an even more incredible price, €30 to be precise. As expected, it blows the Mi Band 3 out of the water in terms of features, and I'm really impressed. But the Honor Band 5 isn't just a great piece of tech by itself. You also need to use the app to configure it, sync your information, and more. I set it up on my OnePlus 7 Pro when I was in Berlin, and I've been using it ever since. The app tracks sleep, heart rate, and movement, displaying it all in an easily digestible format. Connecting it to an Honor smartphone will allow you to integrate it with your phone. For example, opening the camera on an Honor phone with the Honor Band 5 connected will show a camera shutter button on your watch. Syncing it to the OnePlus 7 Pro and not the Honor 20 Pro was a conscious decision, as I wanted to see if this device is viable for a non-Huawei or Honor smartphone. As you can clearly see, yes it is. But yeah, about that app, its sleep information is phenomenal. Obviously it's not possible to tell exactly how much of it is actually accurate, but Honor assures buyers that it is pretty accurate. Statistics they showed from the watch's heart rate monitor did put it quite close to a real heart rate monitor as well. I'll trust them on this one, and assume that the sleep information is actually accurate. It breaks down your sleep between deep sleep, REM sleep, and light sleep, along with awake times as well, and also gives you other information such as your deep sleep continuity. It's all really high-tech stuff, and it's kinda addicting to read through. The app also shows you all of your heart rate information, steps, and kilometers. The Honor Band 5 has its issues though, and they may be enough to turn you off. The battery life is just okay, and you'll find yourself charging it every couple of days if you have all of its features enabled. Not bad for a 100 mAh battery, but other fitness band types generally last longer. You can eke out more time by disabling features, but those features are the ones deemed essential to its usage like heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking. On top of that, though, there's also lag throughout the device itself. Simply scrolling through the options on the device can sometimes lead to micro stutters, and I've had it lock up for a good 10 seconds before. It's not really a big problem and will probably be fixed with updates, but it's worth noting. It's not as if you'll be using the touchscreen on it a lot anyway. The Honor Band 5 retails at €30 and can be picked up from Amazon in Europe and Flipkart in India. What do you think? Will you be buying one? This is Adam Conway with XDATV. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.